Hey guys, we're doing the yoga challenge, and this peasant won't lay down. This is Kira, and that's
Panda Goddess.
she's Panda Goddess. Ow!
Okay.
So yeah, this is the first one we're gonna do.
We're gonna fail.
Maybe only if you fail, because
Yeah, if you fail,
Okay.
everybody fails. Oh God, that's no.
Let's go. Okay.
Watch me fail. You're gonna fail again. Wait, who's gonna be your feet side? You. Me, I'm gonna be your feet. Yes. Oh my God. Wait, how are we going to do this?
You get cookie climb.
I can't climb.
But you can.
That tickled.
It's called jumping.
Your ball tickled my back.
It's called jumping.
Also, your feet go higher than my shoulders. Really?
Yeah. Don't just jump.
Yeah, that's my head.
Oh my gosh. Put your feet on her back and go up into a triangle. I'm not going down, so you better just do it.
Plane. Well, technically it made 3 triangles.
You know what? Fine. You know what?
Oh, I got so cold on my pants. You should have just like run straight out when she ran.
This peasant isn't very good at this. This is the next one we're doing.
I'm gonna fail yet again. Wait, what is that one again, actually?
It's bunk beds, basically. Okay.
I don't do push-ups. Straight up, lower.
It's funny you're criticizing me, Maddie.
Well, I'm short.
Then do you want to be the bit?
Lay it down.
You're not supposed to lay down.
There's a reason we do push-up position and not lay down.
So laying down puts Pose 3.
I'm gonna fail. Do a triangle right here.
Hey, it's a triangle.
Swing.
Wow! You can't even see me, but you know, I'm here. Wow! Oh my god!
Wait, did we not fail at one?
No!
That's because you were the best.
Yeah! Gonna attempt this, but Maddie's not very balanced, so yeah.
I'm gonna take this side because I feel like we'll be more balanced. What do I stand on? Right here.
Legs.
Woo! I didn't fail.
Oh, I just belly
That
flopped.
wasn't the easy one.
Woo! That one.
My hands
Yeah.
are under your feet.
Oh, we're gonna fail.
Oh, that caught my back. It felt so
No, you
Well, I kind of made it a
Wait
little
here.
bit.
I got this. I got this crap.
What are you doing?
This isn't the pose.
You messed
Yeah, we can't do this.
Okay.
This
Are
one.
you the base?
You could do bass. No. I don't know. You could. Whatever.
Okay, put your... Easy with my right shoulder.
Just scoot back some, Maddie.
Just that way.
That way. That way.
Can't see her, but she's up on me.
You see her legs. Yeah. Okay, we've been working on this for a while. We're still kind of failing, but you know.
It's getting better. Ready?
What? We're gonna do it again.
Oh,
I failed.